the hat making.
Or unless you want to use it. There we go, sweetie. The little microphone.
So is this how you size them?
Oh, and this is a pre-cut.
Ah, okay.
He's making me one like that.
Like this one? Oh. Very interesting.
Very cool.
I haven't seen a place where you get hats made to size.
I couldn't believe it. I just walked in and it's like, hey, I could make you one. I'm like, yeah, I know you can. All right.
We have the technology.
Yeah.
Are you going to do that again?
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, neat. You know what that is? Too, he's making it out of it. It's beaver. Beaver. Skin. I agree with you. You can watch your own patio. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
That's love it. Just love it. Maybe.
And he is sizing it.
You got to make your own bowl, and I get to make your own bowl.
And that's to show you how silly this is.
There you go.
Does that kind of remind you of outfit?
Yeah.
It does me too.
It does
Yeah.
now. Now that I said that, that he gets
Yeah.
his
Yeah.
felt.
An Australian hat, it has no good characteristic for waterproofing. So they compact, they have a system to that they kind of keep secret, but a system to compact the rabbit fur to the point that it is waterproof.
So normally, which is the good material for a hat?
The best for me, as a hat maker from experience, for me is the beaver. 100% beaver is the best. You find hats made of, wool, which is not very good. They start to do also some with mink, which is okay, but also the ones made with buffalo hair, for me, is ridiculous. I mean, it sounds good. It's a good marketing tool.
Right.
You have an American buffalo
for
on
the
your head.
Western type thing.
Yeah, but the problem is like cow hair, and it has
Yeah, it's cow. Too
and
coarse.
so they are
can't
starched. They are
compact it.
starched to death. They are treated for being waterproof. They're like, and they smell chemicals. It's horrible.
Well, that's why everybody knew that way back when, and
That's
you
why
always
beaver has
see
been around since the
beaver hat.
1800 or early 1800s.
So are the coats also?
17, right? Yeah. 17.
What about the clothing? Also beaver better, or that any other
The clothing,
material?
well, some of it was made of beaver.
Yeah.
The jackets were. Yeah.
But mostly, I mean, leather. The buffalo would be way better for. Yeah, I mean, that's leather is leather. It's tough as it can be.
But if you're going up north and seal, yeah.
Yeah, or silk. Right. I used to sell a lot of the ermine, the mink that I would get.
Yeah, the mink.
Yeah, the wild mink. And they would directly to gloves. They'd make the liners of gloves out of them.
Oh, yeah,
But
yeah,
then they
yeah.
also half and half, depending on how pretty they were. If they were the right color, they go to the glove. But if they were the wrong color, they'd go directly to hats.